Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Kofifatul Umayyah. I'm from Faculty of Health Science, Nursing Department, Program Community Care Practice. Profile: Green Indonesia Foundation is an institution engaged in social, health, and education as well as the environment, where we hold several sharing activities for orphans, communities, and underprivileged children. We have a shelter or learning house in the areas of Kebagusan, Jati Padang, and Ragunan, Yogyakarta, which has approximately 148 children under our care. Learning at the shelter includes academic and non-academic aspects, such as learning materials in schools in general, as well as learning in the field of individual skills to hone their skills. Starting from concern about the condition of education experienced by some children who are unable to receive formal education for various reasons, especially the family's economic condition, which is not sufficient to finance their children's education. So some young people got together and discussed some important things that they are capable of. We do it to help some children to get a decent but not perfect education. We called these young people as volunteers, and we start this activity in 2012 in order to legalize and become a legal umbrella and realize a better program. The Green Indonesia Foundation was formed as the main forum for the CCE community and the joint school. Here's the founder. First, Agustian Chandra SH as foundation supervisor, and second is Yuda Hatmantoro as foundation supervisor. And the vision is creating a generation that has noble character, is intelligent, independent, and has character towards a quality society. And the mission is A. Creating and building education that pass on impact and science and technology. B. Fostering and developing talents and potential Indonesian young generation. C. Take an active role in humanitarian activities. D. Play an active role in protecting and preserving environment. And our program is 1. Education program, 2. Social program, and 3. Health program. There is Children Education Scholarship. YIH also builds non-formal learning classes to support learning. There are academic and non-academic teaching, such as dancing, painting, photography, and so on. Monthly educational scholarship to be used for school operations, purchase of stationery and school supplies, as well as infrastructure of YIH non-formal classes. 2. I Want School for Orphan Scholarship. No longer having a father figure beside them did not damp the enthusiasm of YHA foster orphans to continue their education at school. Every month, YHA conveys their mandate of educational scholarships for them, which will be used to pay school fees and buy school supplies needed. 3. Cash School Package. With the Kejar Paket School program, their hope for a better future are raised against the Green Indonesia Foundation facilitates package A, B, and C schools programs, from registration to receiving a diploma. Social program 1. Community Empowerment Program. Entrepreneurship empowerment of Indonesian Green Foundation fosters citizens towards an independent and productive society. The goal is for the inmates to be more independent and able to improve their standard of living. 2. WAC program. The 1000 Super WAC program, Usman Wells construction and renovation includes 1. Development work prayer room, 2. Renovation work prayer room. 3. Work for the construction of wudu facilities. 4. Work of the Quran. 5. Braille Quran work. And 6. Equipment work learning santri. And 3 is Zakat program. Through one of the programs held by the Green Indonesian Foundation, we receive and distribute income zakat, mal zakat, and zakat fitrah, which will be given to 100 orphans and duafa in the Greater Jakarta area. This program will be held every week and close with the distribution of food package. Help program. YIH volunteers initiates to provide health service, namely health counseling and checking and blood donation. Health education aims to provide broader knowledge about basic hygiene and health. Blood donation activities are very beneficial for the health of donors. Community. Talent-conscious generation community is a community consisting of young people who cares about the education, especially for children's education. Vision: to become a trusted social institution and contribute to building Indonesian education through awareness by optimizing the talent potential of the nation's children. Mission: 1. Contribute significantly in building the social education of the community. 2. Make the public aware of the importance of education, especially in developing inmates' potential. 3. Organizing parenting-based creative social activities with fingerprint and at least media. 4. Realizing the next generation of the nation who cares, is independent, creative, and innovative. 5. Educate the younger generation through quality education and training activities. And the disabled relative community is a youth community that cares for those who have physical or mental limitations, namely disabled or disabilities. Vision: realizing the welfare of life for all levels of society without discrimination, including for persons with disabilities. Mission: 1. Providing assistance to persons with disabilities or disabilities regardless of ethnicity, race, religion, or physicality. 2. Provide useful facilities and infrastructure for persons with disabilities. 3. Providing information and understanding to the public on disability. 4. Provide support for people with disabilities to continue working. And 5. Establish good synergy with persons with disabilities. The difference between the community and the community in this course is that the Indonesian Green Foundation is more social, such as helping small communities who are economically disadvantaged, facilitating everything they need, while the Taiwanese community focuses on the productive elderly community.